Good morning, students. Welcome to the percentage class. Today we will see what does percentage means. We will learn to convert fraction to percent. We will convert decimals to percent. We will convert percent to fractions and decimals, and we will solve the sums based on percent concept. You know already this grid in your decimal chapter, right? You used this grid to represent decimals. What does this first grid means? How many parts are shaded out of 100 boxes? 50 boxes are shaded as green out of 100 boxes. Yeah, what does it mean? How to represent this? How to represent this shaded part as fraction? You know already 50 out of 100. When you reduce to the simplest form or the lowest term, it is half. 50% of this grid is shaded as green, right? Now here, just look into the second figure. The whole grid is divided into 100 parts. How much it is shaded? How many boxes are shaded as yellow? 25 boxes are shaded as yellow, right? How to represent it as a fraction? You know already. 25, the required part is 25. Shaded part, yellow shaded part, 25 out of 100. 25 by 100. So when it is reduced to the lowest term, it is written as 1 by 4. Means 25%. 25 out of 100 are shaded. That means 25 boxes out of 100 boxes are shaded as yellow. That is the meaning of 25% are shaded. Here in this grid, we will look into the third figure. Yeah, third grid. Third grid is total number of boxes are 100. Only 10 boxes are shaded as purple. 10 boxes, 10%, 10 boxes out of 100 boxes or 10 out of 100 are shaded as purple. That means 10% are shaded. That means when we assign the percent sign, you are familiar with this percent sign, right? When you are assigning percent sign, that means the denominator is 100. 10 by 100, it is written as 10%. So what are percentages? They are fractions. Percentages are fractions with one condition, right? What is that condition? The denominator is 100. Whenever the denominators are 100, it is considered as whatever the number in the numerator is, we can write it as percent. Suppose it is 35% or 35 by 100, let it be 35 by 100. Denominator is 100, we can write the numerator number with this percent sign. So percent means per 100. 35 boxes out of 100 boxes. For the percentage, the denominator is always 100. Hope you are clear with the percent symbol and the meaning of percent. You are very familiar with this symbol 10% off when you are shopping, right? What does it mean? 10% off means we should be able to find out how much is the reduced price. 10% off means how much the remark price will be reduced, that you should be able to find out, right? So whenever you check for the material like this, it will be written 30% cotton and 70% polyester. You are judging the material based on this composition, right? Instead of 30% cotton, if it is 3 by 10, 3 by 10 cotton, 7 by polyester, which is comfortable for you? When the composition is written in terms of percentage, then it is very easy to understand the quality or to judge the quality of the material, right? So you should learn how to convert fractions to percent and percent to fraction also. So we will see how to convert fraction to percent first. We will learn how to convert fractions to percent. Suppose the fraction is given as 2 by 5. Now What does the percent means? The denominator should be 100, right? 2 by 5, it is, let me write separately, 2 by 5. In such cases, you can convert to the denominator, you can get the denominator as 100 by multiplying by 20 here to by the equivalent fraction method, you will get it. So you have to multiply the numerator also. You will get the numerator as 40, then when the denominator is 100, easily you can write it is 40%. But when 100 is not the multiple of, suppose 100 is not the multiple of 7 here. So how we will convert, how we will get the percent 40 by 7? The method is you have to multiply by 100 by 100. That means 100% you have to multiply. 100% means it is 100% means it is 100 by 100. 100 by 100 is 100%. That means when you are multiplying the fraction with 100 by 100, the value does not change. It does not affect the question, right? But you will get the percentage. When you multiply by 100%, you will get whatever the value you are getting, it is the percentage. 2, 3 by 1, the mixed fraction is given, it should be converted to improper fraction. Then you have to multiply by 100%. Whatever the value you are getting, it is written as with percent sign. Yeah, 9 by 2, 9 by 2. On the whole, for whatever be the fraction, if it is mixed fraction, it has to be converted to improper fraction, and whatever the fraction is given, you have to multiply by 100%, and the value you are getting, it has to be written as with percent symbol. How to convert? The same rule follows to convert decimal number to percent also. The same rule means you have to multiply by 100. Suppose the decimal number is 0.75, multiply by 100, multiplication by, you have learned the multiplication by 100. That means the decimal digit has to move to, decimal point has to move 2 digits right. Move decimal places, means decimal point 2 places to the right. 75% multiply by 100% it is. Multiply by 100%, multiply by 100, then write the percent symbol instead of denominator percent. It is multiply by 100%. First multiply by 100, move the decimal point to 2 digits right. For the denominator 100, the percent symbol you have to use, it is 75%. Let us look into the previous slide only. Yeah, when 0.8 is multiplied by 100, how much the decimal point will move? It has to move 2 digits, right? 1 digit over, it has to move 1 more digit. Nothing is here, so write 0. You will get 80%. How the percent will be converted to fraction is the next question. How will you convert the given percent to fraction? It's very easy. You know already that 30% is 30 by 100. This percent symbol gives us the information that the denominator is 100. It means 30 by 100. So 30 by 100, reduce the fraction to the lowest term. It is 3 by 10. That's how you have to convert percent to fraction. Let me repeat once again. Write the percent in terms of fraction. Write the percent given in terms of fraction. That is, you have to, instead of percent sign, you have to write the denominator as 100. After getting the fraction with the denominator 100, you know to reduce the fraction. Reduce to the lowest term, get the fraction. Yeah, when the percent is given, how to convert percent to the decimal number? When the percent is given 28%, 28% means it is 28 by 100. The denominator is 100. Now divide the numerator by 100. The decimal point is here after 8. It will move 2 digits to the left. It is 0.28. The decimal number is 0. Corresponding decimal number is 0.28 for 28%. We will move to the questions now, sums now. Hope you are clear how to convert percentage to fractions, how to get the %8 means, yes, it is 8% means 8 by 100, 8 by 100 into 5 liters. I'll write 5 only. Yeah, 5 ones are 5, 5, 20, and 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. It is 2 by 5 liters. Don't forget to write the unit. 2 by 5 liters means 0.4 liters. 0.4 liters. We will go to the next sum. Convert 0.4 into percentage. How to convert 0.4 into percentage? You have to multiply by 100%. That is 0.04 into 100%. Yeah, the digit has to move. The digit when you are multiplying by 100, digit will move 2 digits to the right. So answer is 4%. We'll move to the next sum. Express 18 hours as a percentage of 3 days. You have to express 18 hours as a percentage of 3 days. Here you cannot write, be careful, 18 by 3 you cannot write because both the units should be same. So you have to convert 3 days to hours first. 3 days means how many hours? It is 3 into 1 day equals 24 hours. So 3 days, 3 into 24 hours is, it is 3 4s are 12. It is 72 hours. Now you have to get the percentage 18. That means 18 divided by 72 and multiply 100%. Multiply by 100 and write the percent sign always. 18 ones are 18 fours are, then 4 ones are 425. It is 25%. That means 18 hours of 3 days is 25%. 25% of 3 days. It is 25%. We'll move to the next sum. Now the question is slightly different. We have to find out what percent of 36 is 9. We don't know the percent. Let the percent be x%. Let the percent be x%. Now translate word statement to equation. You have to get the equation to find out the unknown quantity. That is a rule of simple equation, right? So what percent of 36 is 9? What percent means x percent means x% is x by 100 of 36. Of means multiplication. 36 is equals 9. You have translated word statement to equation. Now you got the equation. You know now you have to follow simple equation rules to find out the unknown quantity. You have to find out x, transpose 36 and 100 to the right side. While transposing you will get 36 as the denominator and 100 as the numerator. 100 as the numerator, 36 as the denominator. Yeah, it is 9 ones are, 9 fours are, it is 25. 25, right? X, value of x is 25. Now your answer is 25%. Don't leave the sum like that. 25% of 36 is 9. This is your answer. Now it is different type of sum. Find a number whose 8% is 6. Let the number be x. Now here you have to find the number. It is not the percentage. In the previous sum you have to find out the percent of 36 is 9 is given. You have to find out the percent. But here in this sum, find a number whose 8% is 6. Now let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now you have to find the number whose 8%. 8% of this x. 8% means it is 8 by 100 of x. I will not write the multiplication sign because it confuses with x. 8% of 8 by 100 of x is 6. You have to translate the word statement to equation. To get the unknown quantity is 6, is equal sign for is 6. So now it's easy to get the number. You have to 6. All are easy sum if you understand the question very well. The sums are very easy. It's very important to understand the question first. Now while transposing to find the unknown quantity x, you have to transpose 8 by 100 to the right side. While transposing, 8 will become the denominator and the numerator will be 100, or according to the rule it is 6 divided by 8 by 100, right? Now 6 into it is 100 by 8. Yeah, now it is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 25. Yeah, you will get 75 as the number. So the number is 75. Write the final answer. Number is 75. You got your answer very easily. Let us move to the self-assessment questions. There are 4 easy questions and different type of questions. Please read the question carefully and you have to solve the questions. Find the percentage of pure gold in 22 karat gold. If 24 karat gold is 100% pure gold, so you have to get the fraction 22 out of 24 first, then multiply by 100, you will get your answer. Find the rate percent for the ratio 2:5. Write the ratio, convert the ratio into fraction. Now you know to get the percent for fraction. Express 75 paise as a percentage of rupees 6. Here one quantity is paise, one quantity is rupees. So be careful while getting the percent. Converts rupees 6 to paise, then get the percentage. Now what percent of 1 kg is 25 gram? Now here also be careful, just observe the unit, make the units equal, convert it into gram, then get the percent. Thank you.